Okay guys, so I installed Alien Arena, and to my surprise I click it, nothing happens. I press Control-Alt-T and type in Alien Arena, and I get this weird error message. So I'm like, well, what does that mean? Why can't it load that? Well, I did a little scouring on the internet, and linuxforums.org had kind of the answer, but enough to get me where I needed to go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix that. There may be another way to access this folder as root, but this is just my personal preference. It gives you a right click option, so just copy paste this, which I'm gonna leave this. Okay. I've already got it installed, so of course it's going to tell me this is the latest. And once it's installed, then you copy and paste this, which I'm not going to do again because it's going to say it's not there, into there. Okay, so once that gets done, open up your home folder, push Control-H, and it's going to show you your hidden folders. You're going to want to go to .config and right click it, open as administrator. Now right click on Alien Arena, click properties, change root to whatever your username is. Mine's asadullah. Then click apply permissions to enclosed files, close that out. You can just close all that out if you want. Okay, exit out of terminal. Voila, simple as pie.